In this video, I'm going to be trading regular currency pairs on the Pocket Option platform utilizing my trade command Quant Engine. Gus Schmidt here, and I'm back again with another trading video. So today, I'm on the trade command Quant Engine interface, the dashboard of the trading bot that I coded, programmed, and developed here. What you're seeing here are some signals that were generated previously. Uh, the Trade Command Quant Engine trades all the major and minor currency pairs here. If you look to the left, Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, Euro, Great British Pound, Japanese yen. It also trades Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it also trades precious metals here. If we see to the left here, like silver, gold, palladium, and platinum. Okay, it trades on the 5 and the 15-minute time frame, but today I'm going to be focusing on 5-minute trades. So how I trigger the Quant Engine is I simply reload the bot and I'll turn on the audio alert. It has sound alerts and it scours all the various currency pairs, precious metals, and the cryptos for potential trade signals here. I have my pocket option account opened to the various currency pairs here. If what you're looking at is some moving averages, the 100 SMA is the white. I have the 50 SMA, which is blue, the 20 SMA green, and the 9 SMA, which is turquoise. And then the fastest SMA is the 3-period simple moving average, which is in red here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and wait for a trade signal a trade alert to pop up. Okay, so I just took a 5-minute short on the Euro Great British Pound currency pair. And the reason why I took the trade is because the Quant Engine generated a short signal here, a 5-minute short on the Euro Great British Pound. So I went to my pocket option trading platform here and I went ahead and took the short here. Make sure when you take your trades, you have your trade time set to 5 minutes and to the precise currency pair that the signal generated. All right, so I'm going to pause the video till about 30 seconds left in the trade and come back and look for the results. Okay, so we're back here with a few seconds left in the trade. Uh, this trade will be in the money. The Euro Great British Pound currency pair here. Let's wait for okay, so that trade was in the money here. All right, that was the Euro Great British Pound currency pair, the signal that was generated right here. All right, so what I'm going to do is reload the bot, the trade command Quant Engine bot, and when a signal appears, I'll come back and take the trade. Let's see here, what do we have? Okay, so we have a Euro Aussie dollar short. All right, so let's go to Euro Aussie dollar. Okay, so I just took that Euro Aussie dollar short. Pocket option has a way of blocking your trade sometimes, which I don't like. This bot has been working extremely well, and I think they try to limit your winning trades. I don't want to say that, but I had a hard time taking this trade. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait till about 30 seconds left and see the results of this trade. Okay, so I have a few seconds left in this Euro Aussie dollar short, the 5 minute short here, and this is going to be in the money. Just I had a difficult time setting up this trade. Sometimes pocket option, when you win a lot, they don't like that. That's the trading platform. But in any event, let's wait for the expiration. Okay, so that trade was in the money. All right. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and wait for the next trade signal on the Quant Engine. Okay, so I just got a Euro JPY 5 minute short here on the Quant Engine. So I went into my account and went ahead and took the short, the 5 minute short on the Euro JPY. There appears to be the beginning of a bearish trend here. The SMA lines are starting to slope downwards. So I'm going to wait till about 30 seconds left and come back and check the results of this trade. Okay, so we've got a few seconds left in this Euro JPY short, the 5 minute short that I just took based on the Quant Engine signal. So let's wait for the expiration. Okay, so that trade was also in the money here, based on the signal here, the Euro JPY short. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is pause the video and wait for another 5 minute signal. Okay, so I just got another signal, a 5 minute signal for the Aussie dollar, US dollar, a short. And the reason why I took the short here is the trade command Quant Engine. Uh, I avoided the 15-minute trades. Like I said, I'm just focusing on the 5 minutes. So here, if you see the Aussie dollar, US dollar, it gave me a 5 minute short here. So I'm going to pause the video and wait for the expiry here. If we notice, all the SMA lines are beginning to slope downward. They've been sloping downward, but there appears to be a sharper slope downward here, suggesting a strong bearish trend is developing. So I'm going to wait till about 30 seconds left in the trade and see the results of this trade. Okay, so we have a few seconds left in this trade. It's going to be close. Wow, so that trade was a tie. That was crazy. All right, we didn't win, we didn't lose. So let's go back to I'm going to pause the video and look for another signal. We want to end on a positive note. Okay, so I just got a Euro JPY 5 minute short here. Let me pull up the signal right here. Euro JPY 5 minute time frame short. So I went ahead and I took the short here. Make sure you have the right asset and the right time frame, 5 minutes. So I'm going to pause the video till about 30 seconds left in the trade, and we're going to see the results of this trade. Euro dollar JPY 5 minute short. Okay, so we have a few seconds left in this trade here. The Euro JPY 5 minute short that I took based on the Quant Engine signal here. Okay, so that trade was in the money. It was pretty close. It retraced almost back But one thing you have to take note of is when you, as soon as you get the signal, you go ahead to your account and take the trade immediately. Okay, so the Quant Engine did extremely well. Uh, we got 4 winners and 1 tie. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Share the video with your friends and your colleagues. I have a link to the trading platform in the video comments or the video description or the channel bio. If you're interested in purchasing the Quant Engine, I'll have the link to the site in the video comments or in the video description or the channel bio as well. I also wanted to let everybody know I've only been trading about 1% of my capital. With these fast turbo options, you don't want to risk high percentages of your capital. You Because the rates of return, if you lose the trade, you lose the whole amount of your trade. But if you win the trade, you only get a certain percentage back of the capital that you won on. So you really need to have about a 67 to 70% win rate if the average rate of return on these assets is 80%. So thank you for watching Trade Command Quant Engine, Gus Schmidt, and I'll see you in the next video.